What are the advantages of trading Forex? This video explains the advantages of trading Forex, so you may understand what you stand to gain by becoming a trader. Advantages of trading Forex. 1. You can make money by buying and selling currency pairs. One of the advantages that stand out is that you can make money by simply analyzing the Forex chart, and then placing a buy or sell order depending on your analysis. In a traditional market, business people make money by selling their merchandise. In Forex, traders generate profits by speculating where the market price will go and placing either a buy or sell order. When you buy a currency pair, it means you retain one currency and get rid of the other. Thus, the buying and selling. 2. You can get free knowledge. Every business person requires knowledge to start and run a successful business. The good news is that a lot of information about the Forex trading business is available online for free to help beginner traders get started. However, newbies learning through online Forex trading self-paced courses must be very determined to gain the required skills. Most often, online learners are tempted to jump from one website to another, thinking it's the best way to learn. You must not do this if you want to get trading skills without wasting more time. If you decide to learn how to become an experienced trader, pick a course, start learning from the beginning of topic 1, stick to the knowledge you are learning, and close your ears to the outside noise. 3. Forex market is a decentralized market. The Forex market is not like the stock market, where you have to stick to one exchange like the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The Forex market is controlled by a lot of local authorities with different regulation measures. Due to stiff competition, most Forex brokers provide quote prices of currency pairs at a relatively competitive price. 4. Forex is a 24-hour market. Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. That means you can trade at any time from Mondays to Fridays. Wouldn't it be nice to open a Forex chart and make money anytime you wish? 5. You can trade anywhere. The Forex market is very portable in that you can do your chart analysis on your PC anywhere in the world, provided there is a stable internet connection. You can then manage running trades on your mobile device. What more could you ask for in a business than flexibility? 6. You can get free trading platforms. When you register an account with a regulated Forex broker, you get free trading software you can use on your PC and mobile device. 7. You can start trading with a low capital. In Forex, you can start trading with as little as $5. But is it recommended to start a business with such an unreasonable low amount of capital? No, of course. Traders can grow their portfolio significantly from a small account if they can employ good risk management skills. But it is highly discouraged because small account holders always find themselves in margin call troubles. 8. There is liquidity in Forex. A lot of people trade Forex worldwide. In other words, there are ready buyers and ready sellers. Unlike traditional markets, if you buy a currency pair in the Forex market, you can sell it back immediately, and if you sell a pair, you can buy it again immediately as you wish. 9. You can access leverage from Forex brokers. It was impossible to trade with any amount less than $10 million some years ago. What that means is that only large institutions that could afford such an amount of money had the opportunity to engage in the Forex trading business. But right now, retail Forex traders can also trade thanks to money borrowed from brokers. Leverage allows a trader to control a large trade with little trading capital. FAQs on advantages of trading Forex. Should I trade Forex? Yes, you should trade Forex if you can put effort into learning trading skills. If you cannot dedicate time to learning the basics of Forex trading, please find something else to do. In addition to learning how to trade, You must also have reasonable trading capital that you will use once you get a reliable trading strategy. Conclusion. What I like about the Forex market is that it is big enough to accommodate everybody. In the next video, we will talk about factors to consider when choosing a legit Forex broker. Please, like this video if you enjoyed it and ensure you tell your friends about Opwell Forex TV so they may also benefit. Thank you for watching.